Most people mistakenly believe that to build massive wealth, you must earn a huge annual salary. They spend several decades working extremely hard in offices, hoping that their monthly paycheck will somehow make them rich. But today, we will look closely at the fascinating stories of two close friends, Alex and Ben, who took completely different paths with their monthly cash flow. At age 25, both Alex and Ben received a large $10,000 work bonus check. Alex was extremely excited about his new wealth. He immediately went to a local car dealership to purchase a brand new, shiny red sports car. He used his $10,000 as a substantial down payment and took out a massive high-interest loan from the local bank to pay off the rest of the car price. Ben took a very different approach. He decided to invest his entire $10,000 bonus. He put the $10,000 directly into a low-cost, highly diversified stock market index fund and left it to grow. 10 years later, Alex is still working incredibly long hours at his desk just to pay off his mounting car debts, high bank interest rates, and expensive monthly insurance fees. He feels completely trapped in his corporate job, unable to take any real financial risks. Meanwhile, Ben's index fund investment has grown significantly, giving him options and complete peace of mind in his life. Ben is now preparing to smoothly transition to flexible remote work, while Alex remains stuck in the same corporate rat race, working hard just to pay for his car. This simple contrast exposes the single biggest and most dangerous financial trap of the middle class. The middle class constantly buys depreciating liabilities, mistakenly believing that they are acquiring valuable long-term assets. They proudly look at their big suburban houses, brand new cars, and expensive electronics, falsely thinking that these material things represent their true financial net worth. In reality, these lifestyle items are silently draining cash from their bank accounts every single day. A genuine asset is something that puts money directly into your pocket on a regular basis, such as dividend stocks and index funds. A liability is simply something that consistently takes money out of your pocket over time, like high-interest consumer debt, credit card balances, or luxury car maintenance. When you buy a brand new vehicle, it immediately loses 20% of its total value. The very moment you excitedly drive it off the dealer's lot, you have instantly lost thousands of dollars of your personal net worth. Yet, we are heavily conditioned by modern society and incredibly clever corporate advertising to consistently view a brand new car as a powerful symbol of high status and success. The exact same financial illusion applies to purchasing large, expensive homes with massive mortgages. A primary residence is not a true asset because it requires constant maintenance, property taxes, and interest payments. Unless your spacious house is actively generating substantial monthly rental income, it is fundamentally a huge liability that heavily limits your regular investment capacity. True wealth is completely invisible to others. It is the money you actively choose not to spend. It is the smart investments in stocks, index funds, and real estate properties that silently compile steady compound growth over the years. If you foolishly spend all your active income just to look incredibly rich, you will never actually build the essential investment capital needed to become truly wealthy and free. To break this trap, you must learn to prioritize assets over temporary lifestyle upgrades. Why do so many incredibly smart and educated people constantly fall into this visual spending trap? It is simple human psychology at play. We constantly suffer from a deep need for social validation. We frequently buy luxury goods just to impress peers, neighbors, and complete strangers we don't even genuinely like. This behavior is heavily fueled by social media, where everyone displays their best moments. We constantly see friends posting photos of their luxury vacations and new cars, creating a strong and deeply irrational fear of missing out. To keep up with everyone else, we foolishly upgrade our everyday lifestyle directly alongside our growing income, a highly dangerous phenomenon known widely as lifestyle inflation. When you get a raise at work, your brain immediately plans new and exciting expenses. You instantly upgrade your apartment, subscribe to more streaming services, and start frequently eating at highly expensive local restaurants. As a direct result of these bad choices, your monthly savings rate remains exactly zero, despite earning significantly more money than you ever did in the past. You are running on a fast hedonic treadmill, moving much faster but staying in the exact same place. To successfully step off this exhausting treadmill, you must detach your personal self-worth from all of your material possessions in life. Famous billionaire Warren Buffett remarkably still lives in the exact same modest house he originally bought back in 1958. He simply doesn't need to show off. He understands that the true purpose of wealth is personal freedom, not public social display. When you consistently buy things to impress others, you are directly letting their opinions completely control your ultimate financial destiny. If you simply cannot control your endless spending impulses, you will inevitably spend your entire life working tirelessly for massive bank loans and greedy credit card companies. Before swiping your credit card, practice a strict 24-hour cooling-off period. If you firmly feel that you absolutely need the item after waiting one full day, only then should you consider buying it directly with cash. You will likely be incredibly surprised by exactly how many temporary emotional spending urges completely disappear during those simple 24 hours of waiting. Now, let's carefully look at the direct financial math of Alex and Ben over a 10-year timeline. Alex's stunning brand new sports car cost a total of $40,000, fully financed at an annual interest rate of exactly 6%. Over 5 painfully long years of monthly payments, he diligently paid a massive total of $46,000 in both principal and interest directly to the bank. Furthermore, his monthly insurance and maintenance costs added another $10,000. After a decade of 10 long years, his car is now worth only $12,000 due to rapid and utterly constant depreciation. In total, Alex spent a staggering $56,000 in hard cash, only to ultimately end up with a heavily depreciated $12,000 financial asset. He lost $44,000 of his hard-earned cash forever to depreciating assets. Now, let's closely examine Ben's incredibly simple index fund investment of exactly $10,000 directly in the SI-DAMP P500 market. By reasonably assuming a historic 10% average annual market return, his wise investment impressively doubled in just about 7 years of magical compounding. After 10 years, his $10,000 grew to approximately $26,000. Importantly, he did not have to pay expensive insurance, ongoing maintenance, or costly storage fees for his growing index fund investments. Instead, the powerful CMP P500 index fund worked completely silently in the background, continuously compounding his returns while he comfortably slept peacefully every night. This is a massive and shocking wealth gap of $70,000 between the two friends. Alex's luxury car clearly represents massive lost opportunity. If he had cleverly invested that cash, he would be completely financially free. This simple mathematical calculation clearly proves that the real cost of a luxury car is not just the initial sticker price, but the immense future wealth it steals from you. The middle class suffers from silent leaks that slowly and quietly bleed their wealth. The first leak is credit card revolving interest. Carrying a balance at 20% interest is absolute financial suicide. The second major leak is completely unnecessary monthly subscriptions. Multiple small $10 streaming services easily add up to hundreds of dollars wasted every single year. The third leak is eating out too often at expensive local restaurants instead of cooking. Routinely paying for convenience instead of cooking meals at home can easily cost you a staggering $500 of hard cash monthly. The fourth dangerous leak is consistently paying high brokerage fees. Active mutual fund managers charge high hidden fees that slowly drain your compounding returns over time. The fifth silent leak is continually paying high interest rates on depreciating college student loans. The sixth major leak is purchasing expensive extended warranties on everyday electronics and home appliances that you simply don't need. The seventh persistent leak is retaining expensive gym memberships that you never actually use, but strangely continue to pay for completely automatically every single month. All these leaks combined can cost an average middle-class family thousands of dollars. If all of this completely wasted money were carefully redirected to index funds, it would build a highly secure and robust retirement fund. By diligently plugging these silent financial leaks, you can instantly free up massive cash flow to continuously purchase actual income-generating index fund assets for your future. You must carefully audit your bank statements quarterly to identify and eliminate these leaks. Most people are genuinely shocked to finally discover exactly how much money they waste on trivial services they don't even remember purchasing. Successfully eliminating these hidden financial leaks does not actually require sacrificing your happiness, but simply becoming fully aware of your actual monthly cash flow. Let's review the primary financial mistakes that beginners must avoid to build long-term wealth. The very first crucial mistake is completely failing to build a solid 6-month emergency cash buffer directly in a high-yield savings account. Without an adequate emergency fund, a sudden car breakdown or unexpected company layoff will painfully force you directly into massive high-interest credit card consumer debt. The second extremely common mistake is foolishly trying to perfectly time the stock market to buy shares low. Historical studies clearly prove that timing the market fails. You just lose your money waiting for a perfect dip that never actually comes. The third terrible mistake is lazily holding far too much cash in a basic standard savings account, silently letting high inflation completely destroy its purchasing power and value. The fourth huge mistake is blindly investing in individual stocks based entirely on social media hype. Speculating on individual companies is pure gambling. Sensibly diversify your long-term investments using broad market index funds instead. The fifth costly mistake is mixing whole life insurance policies with real investments, which inevitably yields extremely low returns and devastatingly high hidden fees over time. The sixth very common mistake is not diligently tracking your net worth regularly to see actual progress. The seventh major mistake is generously co-signing loans for friends or family, taking on debt without any real financial control. The eighth major mistake is dangerously relying entirely on a single source of active job income, leaving you incredibly vulnerable to sudden economic downturns and corporate layoffs. You absolutely must diversify your income streams by carefully investing in dividend stocks, REITs, or starting a small online side hustle. Fortunately, escaping the middle-class trap is simple if you follow this four-step plan. Step 1. Carefully audit your bank statements and eliminate all silent leaks. Confidently cut 3 completely unnecessary subscriptions today. Step 2. Diligently build a solid 3-month starter emergency fund directly in a high-yield savings account to successfully protect all your long-term index fund investments. Step 3. Set up automatic monthly transfers to purchase diversified market index funds. Step 4. Strictly commit to never actively upgrading your overall lifestyle by more than 50% of your future corporate job pay raises. By aggressively paying yourself first every month, you structurally force your hard-earned money to build future freedom before you ever have the chance to foolishly spend that cash. Start carefully planting your wealth tree today and let time compound your financial freedom. Please don't let another year slip away while your hard-earned savings slowly melt away to consistently high inflation rates in the economy. Make sure to eagerly subscribe to Casual Wealth right now to consistently learn more powerful daily financial hacks and crucial mindset shifts to rapidly grow your total net worth. Start your compounding snowball immediately because once time is gone, you can never buy it back.